Happy Saturday. The time is 7:15 on your Saturday morning. It is a muggy, sultry start to the day. We've got a steamy summertime forecast for you. There's a bug on the camera right now. That's what that is. Not some ominous, I don't know, shadow figure over the city of New Orleans, but it's a beautiful start to the day besides the bug on the camera. Temperatures didn't really cool off much. We're in the upper 70s and low 80s across the area. 83 degrees right now in New Orleans, 84 in Belle Chase. There is one lone shower in South Mississippi and Pearl River County. Some steady showers really focused along I-59 in South Mississippi. Rest of the area is dry. I think today we'll see partly cloudy skies. A few spotty showers and storms are possible this afternoon. Hit or miss variety, typical summertime pattern. Temperatures getting to the low mid 90s this afternoon for our highs. But it's the feels like temperatures that really get us. The heat index will probably get up to maybe 108 to 110 this afternoon. So if you will be outside, make sure you take it easy, dress lightly, stay cool, stay hydrated. We've got that heat advisory in effect today, starts at 10 a.m. and goes until 7 o'clock this evening. So it's going to be hot and humid, and we'll see the chance for a few scattered showers and storms, especially in the afternoon and early evening. Again, not a guarantee for everybody, but you may get lucky and get a cooling shower this afternoon. Tomorrow, much of the same, really hot, really humid. Few spotty showers and storms are possible on our Sunday afternoon as well. Still hit or miss variety. Now, the reason why it's going to turn so hot is this upper ridge of high pressure is going to gradually strengthen over the Gulf South over the next week. So that's going to be our pattern, and that will also help direct any developing tropical systems. And we do have a couple that we're watching more so to the west. So that's something we'll be kind of keeping an eye on. But so far, signs look good that any tropical systems will get pushed to the west and stay well to our south. So let's get into what the heat is going to do for us the next week. Temperatures will be gradually getting into the low, maybe mid upper 90s. Later in the week, 95, 96 for daily afternoon high temperatures later this week. We keep the chance for scattered showers and storms around this weekend, even into all of next week. We also have a lot of moisture still around, so every single day we'll keep the opportunity for spotty showers and storms. So our local forecast really goes unchanged. The thing that's going to be something we'll be watching is in the tropics. We got three areas we're monitoring now. Invest 94, Tropical Storm Beryl, and a tropical wave right behind it that does have a good shot at developing. This is what Tropical Storm Beryl is doing right now. It's producing wind gusts at 65 miles per hour, healthy looking storm. It's continuing to move west at 21 miles per hour, so it is moving along pretty quickly. It's expected to strengthen to a hurricane, maybe a Category 2 hurricane when it moves into the Lesser Antilles by late Sunday or early Monday. And it will continue to move west-northwest through the Caribbean Sea through later in the week, eventually weakening as it encounters some wind shear by later in the week once it reaches Cuba. So this is a long-term area we'll be watching. So far, it looks like the biggest impacts will be for the Lesser Antilles later this weekend. Throughout the early part of the week, they'll be seeing strong winds, flooding, and surge. And this will continue to move through the Caribbean Sea into the second half of the work week, bringing some rain to Hispaniola and to Cuba. But so far, it looks like the steering currents should keep it more on that westerly track to the Yucatan. That can change. We'll be watching it closely, but here locally, we have no tropical threats or anything really to worry about in the tropics over the next week. So make sure you're checking back in day to day for the latest forecasts on Beryl. But so far, this is your 7-day. No tropical worries, but we do keep the heat. That's our biggest thing. The heat is the top concern for us. Everyday temperatures soaring into the mid 90s, maybe the upper 90s later in the week, but at least we'll keep the chance for a few cooling showers around every day.